So isang linggo na ang nakalipas pero pinag-uusapan pa rin natin ang snore of the century, ang Cloty Pacquiao. Kawawa naman yung mga lumipad sa Dallas, gumastos na marami para pumunta doon tapos they didn't get a very good show.
Kasalanan ni Cloty yan eh.
You know, alam mo yung chismis dyan? Okay, sabi ni Roach, during the training of Manny Pacquiao, meron siyang Ghanaian fighter na nakalaban and he heard and knows the game plan based on, you know, what he saw with the coaching because Roach was instructing him. Yung Ghanaian fighter na to, sinabi daw kay Joshua kung ano yung gagawin, yung 1-2 punch na epektibo daw against Cloty. So si Cloty, pinalitan niya yung style niya, kaya naging ganun yung fight. Boring.
I don't know. Really don't know about that. Because nung nanonood ako, parang it was all a show. Paano ba naman? Di ba mga ka-nation, kada round, appear yung dalawa, smilan pa ng smilan. Ano ba to, boxing or love fest?
But that's what makes boxing exciting. When you see two people that don't like each other go at it in the ring, that's why we're waiting for fights like Mosley Mayweather. They don't like each other. We're waiting for Pacquiao Mayweather. They don't like each other. So at least, you know, we know what's up when we watch fights.
The best part sa akin, dun sa match, was then, I think it was on round 9 when Cloty's trainer, the one that said, okay, let's get creative here, let's throw some punches. Parang,
basically, napapahiya na tayo. Speaking of napapahiya, si Manny Pacquiao, it wasn't all a good week for him because he found out that they had to cancel his concert in Waikiki because of poor ticket sales. An 8,000-seat venue sold only 600 tickets. You know, it's a shame because Honolulu is kind of like Daly City. Ang daming Pinoy dyan. But still not good enough a singer is Pacquiao to sell tickets.
Yeah, I guess because people want to see him fight and just want to greet him and see him.
Okay, topic number 2, still talking about Pacquiao. Another fight he's fighting is a fight for the elections. He's going against 2 incumbents. He's going against the incumbent governor and he's going against the incumbent congressman. And these names are synonymous with very strong political families in that area, the Chongbians and the Dominguezes. Now, although Pacquiao is richer than all of them, although Pacquiao is more popular than both of them, there's still a good chance he's not going to win.
Yeah, because this is a totally different arena for him. This is a political arena we're talking about. We're not talking about the boxing ring here. And a lot of people are saying this just might go the way of the 2007 elections wherein he lost to Darlene Antonino Custodio. Parang ganun lang din. Pero hindi ko maintindihan. Ang dami na nagsasabi sa kanya na huwag ka nang tumakbo. Even Chavit Singson,
who should know a thing or two about running for politics,
said, please do not run. And yet he's still running.
You know, there's a couple of things there. One, I think he genuinely wants to serve. He's just a little bit naive about the realities of running, which is weird because he already lost. Second of all, I think the guy doesn't know what to do with his money. He probably has so much money, he's bored. What am I going to do with my billions of pesos? Takbo na lang ako.
Ang daming mga proyekto na pwede pang itayo sa Sarangani. I
with
suggest
that money, just donate that money.
Hindi ba kaysa matatapon lang sa campaign expenses? Sinong natulungan mo?
That's right. And so on the issue of Manny Pacquiao running for Congress na Mr. Panis.
Congressman na, Pacman pa, syempre Panis.
Ako naman, you know, he's already spreading himself too thin. Concentrate on your movie career, concentrate on your singing career, saka na yung politics. You're a young guy, you have a lot of years to go. So for me, Panis. Okay, keeping on the topic of Filipino celebrities, we're talking about another celebrity present at the Pacquiao fight, si Arnel Pineda, pinagalitan ng National Historic Institute dahil mali ang pagkanta niya ng ating national anthem. To comment on this issue is his road manager, the road manager of Arnel Pineda, who we flew in from Las Vegas just to join us on A-List. Let's say hello to Yule's session.
Hi, Yul. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ito na, mag-usap
Ito
na
na po,
tayo.
hot seats na.
Yul, ikaw ang road manager ni Arnel. You're with him everywhere he goes. Kilala mo ba yung mga tao dyan sa NHI?
Actually, wala akong idea sa kanila.
Ano ba
na meron
kayo?
palang NHI.
Meron. Kayo naman dalawa.
Sila yung mga nagagalit sa mga kumakanta ng lupang hinirang kung hindi tama. Yun ang trabaho nila.
Yun ang trabaho talaga nila.
So, ano ba, sinabihan mo, paano dumating dun sa punto na, you know, Arnel had to apologize? Because he did, as soon as he got off the plane.
Kasi nagbigay na sila ng comment na parang kakasuhan nila si Arnel. So, ang second nila, kailangan mag-apologize si Arnel. So, inintubin nila si Arnel. So, sabi nila ni Arnel na kung hindi ko nabigay yung tamang pagkanta ng lupang hinirang, I apologize.
Gustong-gusto ko yun, kasi parang may taray pa ng konti, may sundot pa ng konti.
I actually loved his apology in the news. Very sincere, you know, very, very from the heart. He really meant the apology, which I love.
Yeah.
And it serves him well. You know. Ikaw ba, alam mo ba yung tamang Tempo.
And now to sing the
at,
national
Tune,
anthem of the
at,
Republic of the Philippines, he will
Tempo.
say,
I did the sound check kasi at that time, Arnel is so busy. I mean, he's resting. Pero during the time na nasa arena na ako, mahirap yun kasi ang dami ng tao doon nung ako na nag-sound check. Hindi ganun kadali. Tapos yung pressure ng dami ng tao, you can hear what's going on kasi walang backup music.
But you know what,
So
I
are you
don't think he
saying-
has to explain anything.
Exactly.
Eh,
Diba?
diba? Because
I
it
mean-
really was a creative...
Well, he's an artist. He
yeah.
has his own style of singing Lupang Hinirang. Every person, they have their own style of singing it.
Okay yung barong niya, yung suot niya nung national anthem.
Yun,
Saan galing yun?
binatikos din yun.
Well, that was designed by Ariel Agasang.
Oh, tingnan mo na.
So, yun. May mga tao, they donated, you know, binigay sa kanya yun, pinasuot sa kanya.
Ang
Tatanggapin ko ba?
problema sa akin dito ganito eh. Actually, itong... Because I saw an interview that the person from the NHI did. I think he was just really, honestly, sincerely doing his job. He
I
really
think-
was
Yes,
just following the mandate that was given to him. Ang problema dito, yung rules and regulations, I think it's about time we just change that.
I
Hindi
think,
naman pwedeng
I think he's
ganito.
bored and he doesn't have enough things to do in his
No,
job. I
that's
mean, focus on
unfair.
other things.
No.
He could be
Yeah.
spending his time doing something else more productive.
That
I think
part of the mandate of the
everyone-
National Historical Institute is to make sure that everyone sings the national anthem correctly. He was just
course.
doing his job.
Of course, if that's the case, then why doesn't the NHI get in the case of every single high school kid singing at their flag ceremony every Monday morning, the Bayang Magilo, no passion, no feeling,
No
just
feeling.
going through the motion
Yeah.
like robots, get mad at
Ganito
them.
lang yan eh. Pag kumanta po tayo ng Lupang Hinirang, kahit ano pang gusto nating style sa
Style.
pagkanta, ang importante galing pa sa puso.
puso,
At
yes.
kinakanta ba natin para sa bayan mismo? That's the only thing that matters.
Your verdict on this issue of Arnel Pineda singing the national anthem
Tamis pa
wrongly?
rin.
I have to say that these people at the NHI should get a life. Please focus on other things and leave the artists who we're proud of to do their own thing. So for me, definitely NHI, panis. And Yul, before we let you go,
Well,
yung verdict?
Ang verdict ko siguro, kailangan magkaroon sila ng rules and regulation. Paano ba nakakantahin o imit nila yung singer.
Bago isalang,
Bago
no?
isalang. Kasi alam mo yon para makasanayan nila yung pagkanta. Pero I mean, every artist, like sinabi ko na, iba-iba yung kanilang way of how they express the song. Artista sila eh. So, ayun.
At ang verdict mo ay?
Panis.
Panis!
Ang dami nang sinabi.
Okay guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Yul.
Thank you for having me.